Hi everyone, my name's Lori Dubin. I'm an associate family lawyer at Russell Alexander's office. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we cover current family law news stories and other topics related to divorce. We upload videos twice a week. You can subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss an upload. Today we discuss, should billionaire dad enjoy parenting time at a Turkish resort? The court was recently asked to determine where the father's parenting time would take place pending trial, and if it occurred abroad as he requested, then what safeguards would be imposed on him to ensure that the child would be safely returned to Canada. The father was an extremely wealthy Russian citizen with international business interests. The mother was a Canadian citizen who had been working as an international model when she met the father in New York. They lived together for 6 years in locations like South Africa, Germany, Turkey, and most recently at separation in the city of Dubai. They had a young daughter together. After an altercation, the mother left Dubai without the father's consent and moved back with the girl to Ottawa, where her parents and extended family live. The father asked the court for a declaration that the child had been wrongfully removed to Ontario and should be returned to her habitual residence in Dubai, pending trial of the couple's various issues. The mother opposed this request, and her court explained her position this way. The mother strongly objects to the child leaving Canada at all. She states that she has always been prepared to allow in-person parenting time between the father and child in Ottawa, and that she is still prepared to do so. However, she says that the father presents a serious flight risk, and she asks that any in-person parenting time between them in Ontario be supervised at all times. The mother states that the father has limitless financial means, that he has countless international connections, and she's frightened that if allowed to have unsupervised access in Ontario, let alone anywhere else in the world, the father will abduct the child and she will never see her again. The Ontario court first had to address some jurisdictional and urgency issues, but then entertained the father's detailed proposal. It involved daily scheduled in-person parenting time at an ultra-luxurious resort in Turkey, where he was living for the summer, and the payment of all travel costs associated with the child, the mother, and the maternal grandmother visiting. He was also prepared to consent to various orders to alleviate the risks alleged by the mother. The court granted the father's request for in-person parenting time to take place in Turkey, but under what it called exceptionally stringent conditions. It conceded that the luxury resort proposed by the father was perfectly appropriate for in-person parenting time with the girl. It noted that Turkey had no travel restrictions, an easy visa application process, and a strict COVID-19 quarantine protocol. However, the court agreed with the mother that the father could conceivably be a flight risk. Yet, when compared to the mother's plan, which would involve only daily Zoom calls or else supervised parenting time in Canada, the father's plan was preferred. It was in the child's best interest to have an ongoing in-person relationship with her father. The court found that the father's proposal for in-person parenting time to occur in Turkey, aside from the risks of abduction that it presents, makes ample sense. Turkey is a signatory to the Hague Convention that addresses international child abduction. It would apply to this scenario if necessary, and although the father's unlimited financial resources were a concern, the court added, while it will never be possible to level the playing field between the parties from a financial perspective, the financial power imbalance that might result from a potential abduction can be addressed in other ways. In this particular case, requiring the father to post security to guarantee the child's safe return to Canada achieves this goal. The court accordingly ordered the father to post $200,000 in security and imposed an extensive list of conditions. It also observed that the father has a lot to lose by attempting to wrongfully remove the child from Turkey, including criminal charges that would have a serious impact on his international travel and business interests. It also had no evidence that the father was not a law-abiding citizen. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so we know what kind of videos you want to see more of. Comment below what you thought of this case. Did you agree with the judge's decision? Please subscribe so you don't miss upcoming videos. We upload about twice a week. Thank you for watching.